Good morning, the final morning at the Polynesian. So sad to be leaving, but we had the most incredible trip and it was absolutely perfect in every way. Would not change a thing. So yeah, flight leaves about 12:30 noon and we'll land in Chicago around 2:30. So oh, I'm fogging up again. I tried to fix that. Sorry, guys. But otherwise, goodbye from the Polynesian. Waiting for the Mears bus. Ooh. Minivan just pulled up right in front of us. They're so cute. Minivan. The Mears Connect bus is here. A few minutes early. This is our third trip using Mears Connect, and it's been a great experience every single time. We will keep using them, and I highly recommend them. Yeah. On the board of our bus. Mama says she bought too much stuff. She said she had too much of a magical experience.
And it was magical.
And it was magical, but...
And it was worth every penny.
Oh yeah. I am broke. Came with a very loaded gift card, and it has $10 left on it now. So we experienced everything to the fullest on our way to the airport.
Yeah.
There's a good chance you didn't see and do it all. So please come back and visit us again very soon. This is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer, and we hope you enjoyed your Orlando experience.
We did.
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. When the 8 p.m. stops, please exit to gates 30 through 59.
Slowly making our way through our leftover pastries from Topolino's yesterday. We had a lot of extras, so we are at our gate waiting for our flight. We're here pretty early, so but everything's on time. It says our flight leaves at 12:17, so it's currently 10:30, so we have a little while. I'm just editing some photos while we wait. Starting the flight off right. Yum, some warm spiced nuts and some more champagne. Finished some photo editing and now I'm going to watch a movie. By which I mean I'm going to continue watching Moonfall, which is a terrible, terrible movie. But I've got to finish it. Yum. Lunch is served. Got a vegetarian green dish. Looks healthy. I'm okay with that. That smells really good. Mom got the beef udon and some shrimp tempura. Yum. It smells great. Yum. Got a beef bowl with a poached egg on top and some miso soup. I also ordered a bubble tea. Dinner at Mitsuwa. Well, an early dinner anyways. Got some bubble tea, which was very good. It's all gone. And then we're gonna hit the bakery and then head home. On the way home. It's got a small load from the bakery. Always delicious. Everything here is so good. Yum. Yeah, you just can't go wrong with any of these pastries. Very, very traditional Japanese bakery. Pastry House Hippo.
I got a raisin bun.
Yeah, those are good. I've had those before.
Oh, have you?
Yeah. Alright. I think we're good. Ready to go home.